Welcome to the August Real Estate Marketing Vault Drop. I'm so excited to walk you through everything that we have inside of here. It is the birthday month of Alex and I, and so we are celebrating our birthdays by including the birthday bonuses in here, which I'll show you in just a moment. But let's walk through what the theme is, what's inside. I'm going to show you the templates. I'm going to show you the different trainings we have in here, how it's going to help you. So let's dive right in. So the theme for August is the accelerator, right? So the idea here is that we want to help you double down on the things that we know are working and are going to actually drive business, right? Get you closings. So first off, it is August. I know no one wants to talk about it, but we have to talk about Q4, right? The coveted last 3 months of the year are crazy important for you. Like if you have a really like not so great year, but you come through the last 3 months of the year and rock it, you set yourself up for success for the entire next year. So those last 3 months are super pivotal, which is why Alex actually shot a 4-month action plan video where he's breaking down exactly how to finish the year strong. So inside of the training, he's going over every single month of like how you can rock it for September, October, November, December. So that way you actually are having real success, right? Moving the needle, getting clients, getting closings, filling your pipeline. Next, we have a training that I shot, which is how to stand out and attract clients, right? Talking about personal brand. Now, this isn't going to be your regular training where we cover things like your logo and your brand colors. No, we're diving deep and we're talking about actually attracting clients, understanding their mindset, and understanding how to build irresistible offers within your real estate business. So I dive deep in that training. It's not super long either, but you're going to get a lot out of it. So that is inside of the August Vault. Then we have a storytelling carousel that I want to show you. It's a way to kind of have like a news centric sharing thing with your carousels. That's different than the education posts, but this is really for sharing the story of like what your clients went through, how you help them. So like you're celebrating your clients, and you can put a photo of them or whatnot, or just the house, right? Figure it out. But the idea here is that you're using storytelling, which people love, and it really resonates with people, and they want to share in that experience. So it's going to help you warm up your audience, right? And you can use that on social. You can use parts of it inside of emails, right? It's really up to you. Now, for your clients, we have a pre-fall checklist, right? So you can get that ready, printed, and going for your sphere, for your market, right? Whoever you're going to be sending it to. And we break down like who you should send it to as well inside of the group. And then we also have a blog post that we did for you. So one of the greatest things you can do as a real estate agent is actually put out blog posts. I know a lot of people think blog posts are dead, but it's not. It's totally alive. And with AI, it's more important than ever, because if you can be referenced via things like ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini when it comes to answering real estate questions that are local to your market, you're going to pop up inside of AI searches, which is crazy powerful. So we wrote the blog post for you. We also included an email newsletter so you can promote that blog post. And then we also gave you a social post that you can customize to promote that blog post as well. So that is all in here. It'll be a Google Doc. It'll be an editable Canva template, the social post, and you're good to go to promote that. Now, this part is near and dear to my heart. I know a lot of us, when we get into real estate, we struggle with imposter syndrome. And so we created a workbook to help you deep dive into the causes of it, how to reframe your mind, how to really create a more positive mindset, not just for yourself personally, but within your business, right? To prove to yourself that you really can do this. You should be in this industry. You can have success, because if you believe it, you will achieve it. Not to sound cheesy, but it's true, right? So we have a deep dive training where I walk through different exercises that you can do. We have the actual workbook that you can just go through and fill everything in to work through that. And then something really fun that we created was these imposter syndrome affirmation cards, which I think are awesome. You print these out, go through them throughout the morning, or prior to like team meetings, or even at team meetings, right? If you have a group that you're working with, can be really great and positive to go through. Next, we have something else for you to share with your clients, which are market update infographics. Now, we have 3 different styles and we provided them in different types of colors, so you can mix and match or pick one that's like close to your brand, change the colors, the fonts, and all of that jazz. But these are really, really fun. You can use them as social posts. You can use them inside of eBlast. You can send them via SMS. You can even get them printed and send them inside of cards. Instead of doing like the traditional postcard, right? It all depends on like what your strategy is, but there's different ways that you can use them, and they're fully customizable inside of Canva. So you don't have to worry about, does this fit my brand as far as like colors and stuff like that. You can totally change everything. Next up, but not the last thing, because I'm still going to go over the birthday bonuses. We have the carousel posts that you will access. So there are 10 new carousel posts inside of the vault. I'm only going to cover a couple of my favorite ones because I just feel like these are awesome topics that no one's covering on social media. Like, does my spouse have to agree to the listing price and sale of my home during a divorce? Like, this is going to get shares. Divorce rates are up. Like, this is a topic agents should be covering because it's a question on people's minds. The next one is, this is the equation real estate investors use to calculate after repair value, right? Explaining this to people and breaking it down can be really powerful because you're actually going to uncover who's interested in real estate investing or who's already an investor within your audience and attract those people into your audience as well. Finally, a third favorite of mine, and the last one I'll cover for the carousels before we get into the birthday bonuses, is if you see a home online, that means it's available, right? We're debunking a myth here. So that is 3 of them out of the 10 that you can access. That's basically like enough content for you to get through the month, especially if you're mixing it with like business spotlights and behind the scenes posts, right? We're helping you bulk up your content library and attract leads, which we have trainings inside of the vault to teach you how to do that with the carousel posts. Now, last but not least, these celebrate our birthday with us birthday bonuses, right? So these are super, super awesome and just really actionable and tangible, right? So we have a build your CRM cheat sheet. So we give you 25 ways to build your actual CRM. So there's different ways of prospecting inside of there, some that you may not have even thought of. We have our all-time best email subject lines, right? If your email subject lines are like just listed and it's the property, you're like, beautiful home on XYZ Street, or this won't last, right? Those, no, we need to get more creative than that. So we're giving you the best ones that we've ever had open rates for. Also, we're giving you lead magnet prompts for ChatGPT. So if you want help creating lead magnets, which we already have done for you lead magnets inside of the vault when you join. But if you want to like create your own from scratch, we have prompts that you'll be able to access inside of that birthday bonus. We also have a success contract, right, with different commitments on it so that you can create accountability over the next 4 months with an accountability partner or with your broker, your team leader, right? You'll be able to edit that inside of Canva, customize it to what exactly you want to be held accountable to, and then get it signed and printed. And it looks legit and has like that old time feel. Finally, we have a real estate coaching workbook. This is fantastic if you are a BIC, a team leader, or just an agent who's like operating sort of like a team, right? You want to sit with your agents and actually hold them accountable to like the ways that they're operating in their business and have conversations about what are their strengths, what opportunities are available to them, how can they move the needle even further this quarter, right? So that is inside of the birthday bonuses. It's editable. It's a PDF. So you'll be able to print that out and go through it, have a meeting with each of your agents and do that. If you combine that with the success contract, you picking up what I'm putting down. So that is everything that is inside of the August vault. And that's just the August vault, right? You get a whole new vault drop every first of the month. So every single first of the month at 8:30 a.m., we hit you with a brand new drop, a brand new theme, new marketing templates, new social posts, new tools, new things to print for your clients, new ways to generate business. that is what we do inside of the Real Estate Marketing Vault. And you also get access to the inner circle where you can actually chat with me inside of the Facebook group, ask any questions, get feedback on things that you're working on, just get opportunities to test different products. We also sell apparel and things like that in a part of our business. So if you have any questions, let us know. But otherwise, become a member. Click the button below or near this video and join. You have literally nothing to lose and everything to gain. And I would love to see you inside of there. So